Hi, my name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend. This is the Motorola monthly update show. And today's three topics are: the Motorola Edge 40 Pro is here, a recommended Motorola unboxing video, and last but not least, the Motorola software update situation. I'm a little afraid to have the mic down here because I'm afraid it might bump into my double chin. Software update situation. We're gonna speak about that on lots of different Motorola phones in this very video, as we are still waiting for Android 13 on all Motorola releases from last year, 2022. Let's get to it. Topic number one, Motorola news. The Motorola Edge 40 Pro is now official, and reviews are flying in from all over the place. It mostly gets good comments from everywhere I've seen, and I see a lot of reviews. But I want to play you this recording of the Motorola Edge 40 Pro's mic quality.
Alternatives to the Moto Edge 40 Pro, one option could be the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Or you could have a look at the OnePlus 11.
Now compare that to the Moto G53, also from this year.
Again, you can capture full HD resolution footage using that front-facing camera. The mic pickup seems to be absolutely fine.
And the Moto G73.
Resolution, and audio is also being captured by the mic, but this is a quick sample with the front-facing camera of this Moto G73.
And then the Moto G40 Pro again.
Well, the good news is you can capture up to 4K resolution video footage using that selfie cam here on the Motorola Edge 40 Pro at either 30 or 60 frames per second. Although I have had some complaints when I've been Skyping with the fam, etc., that the mic wasn't doing a particularly good job of picking up my voice, so I did have to talk quite loud.
And this is why I'm wondering if Motorola is digging a hole for themselves, because you cannot have a decrease in mic quality in the opposite ratio to the price. It makes no sense. Hvad laver de der bingofugle? Skryd med jer, mand. Inexcusable. Topic number two, a recommended Motorola video. You cannot have a decrease of mic quality, and this is just a short video, an unboxing. It may be of this phone. Just have fun with it, enjoy it. It's a short video. You can watch it right up here or via the link down in the description. Today's last topic, number three, the Motorola software update situation. Please write down in the comments right now the name of your Motorola, what Android version it is on, and if it still receives software updates, because I'm making this database that I will show in each and every month of the Motorola update show. It shows different Motorola phones and what software they are expected to be on at present time. So please help out by adding your data in the comments. I'll just show you my own Motorola's I have home with me right now. This is the Edge 20. Latest update on April the 8th. The Motorola Edge 30 with its latest update on March the 8th. The Motorola Edge 30 Fusion with the latest update received on March the 21st. And then the 30 Neo with an update received on the 3rd of April. Apart from the Edge 20, all of them was released in 2022. And each and every one of them are still on Android 12, awaiting Android 13. And we're in April now of 2023. Just to give you a comparison, the Samsung S22 lineup got Android 13 only 2 months after Android 13's official release, and only weeks after the Google Pixels were released with Android 13 on them. My name is Brian from Denmark, your tech friend, and I'll update you again next month. This is not a commercial, this is a Coca-Cola. I don't think you can get sponsorships from Coca-Cola, can you? Otherwise, Bell New, call me up, hit me.